can't see, is it?
I think it's a balloon.
Think it's what?
A balloon or something.
Hey guys, this is Only the Truth. Today we're going to be going over an interesting case I found on YouTube. It was uploaded by House of Fetish. I'll put all his information down in the description of this video. It was really nice of him to let me use it, so thank you to House of Fetish. Anyways, this happened on February 26, 2021 at around noon or midday in Dunstable, England, or the UK. Really interesting. I have no idea what it is. It could be a weather balloon, that's my best opinion, but I don't know. That's why I'm sharing it with you all. Just thought it was interesting. Anyways, this is Only the Truth signing out. Have a good night.